Hey everyone. We've all seen the headlines, right? The AI market is just exploding. But what if I told you the real numbers are even crazier than you think? Let's dive in and break it down. So this is the big question, isn't it? We hear AI boom all the time, but just how fast is this thing really growing? The data, well, it tells a pretty wild story.
Okay, first up, we are right in the middle of a modern-day gold rush. But instead of picks and shovels, it's all about large language models. You know, the engines behind things like ChatGPT. And the projections for this market, they're nothing short of revolutionary.
All right, let's talk numbers. One major forecast, it puts the LLM market at over $35 billion by 2030. That is a huge number. But get this, that might actually be on the low end. Because another forecast, a different one, projects the market will absolutely rocket to nearly $68 billion by 2032. We're talking about doubling the already massive projection in just a couple of years. That's colossal. And here's the kicker. It doesn't really matter which report you look at, they all point to the same thing, this insane growth rate. The compound annual growth rate, or CAGR, is averaging a staggering 34%. That's just incredible expansion, year after year after year.
But as mind-blowing as those numbers are, that's not even the whole story. There's something even more interesting happening just under the surface.
Yeah, because there's a surge within the surge, a story that might be even more important in the long run. And that is the explosive growth happening specifically in the open source AI market.
And this is where things get really interesting. The open source LLM market, it's smaller right now, but it's projected to leap from around $720 million to $5 billion by 2033. That's not just growth. That is some serious, focused acceleration.
So what's fueling this? What's the engine behind this open source boom? Why is it becoming such a critical piece of the whole AI revolution?
Well, it really boils down to control and flexibility. Businesses want models they can actually customize and tailor to what they need. They want to see how the sausage is made, that transparency. And crucially, they don't want to get locked into one single company's ecosystem.
And this whole movement is being powered by this incredible global ecosystem. You've got major players like Hugging Face, tech giants like Meta throwing their weight behind it with Llama, and then these super innovative companies like Mistral AI and Stability AI just pushing the envelope every single day.
Okay, so what does this all add up to? What does this mean for the future of how AI gets built?
Well, for one, this is a truly global thing. Right now, Europe is leading the charge in adoption. But look at North America. It's the fastest growing market out there. So we're seeing this amazing combination of mature adoption and incredible momentum at the same time.
And really, all this data, all these trends, they point to one single powerful conclusion. We are watching a fundamental shift happen in real time, a rapidly accelerating adoption of open source LLMs. It's becoming a core part of the entire AI landscape.